Do you hope to travel the world? Listen to this story and learn how to use the verb hope. There are many things I hope to do in the future. I hope to climb a mountain. I hope to win a race. And I hope to travel all around the world. How do we use the verb hope? To hope to do something means to want to do something. We use hope before an infinitive. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb. She hopes to become a doctor. He hopes to buy a new car. We can't use hope before a gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts as a noun. Now it's your turn. What do you hope to do in the future? This is American English. Thank you for watching.